Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. Hello, how are you all? Hope you are doing fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIV's Home School. I am Muhammad Ariful Islam, Assistant Teacher of English, National English Version School, Morning Shift. Today I am going to take an English first paper class for class 6 students, and our today's topic is Unseen Passage 1. Okay, so let's see. Class 6. Subject English first paper, term annual, Unseen Passage 1, lecture 7, and SW will be 5. Teacher Ariful Islam, this is my mobile number and this is my messenger ID. So let's start the class. So topic Unseen Passage 1, annual term, lecture 7, Unseen Passage 1, okay? So, first let's go read the passage. Question number 3A, we will do to the 3A, okay? Read the text and answer the following questions. Belal's family lives in the same village as Sabina. His father is also a farmer. His name is Abdul Rahim. His fields are near Muhammad Ali's. Abdul Rahim and Muhammad Ali, Abdul Rahim, and this will be Muhammad Ali, okay? Correction, this will be Muhammad Ali. So Abdul Rahim and Muhammad Ali are friends. Belal's mother is a primary school teacher. Her name is Shahida Begum. So Abdul Rahim and Shahida Begum have 4 children. How many children? They have 4 children. The eldest is a daughter. Her name is Salma. She's 14 years old. Then comes Belal. He's 12 years old. He has a younger sister and a younger brother. His younger sister's name is Rashida and she's 10 years old. His younger brother's name is Kamal and he is 7 years old. This will be a small I, okay? So, you know, question number 3A, we will answer information transfer. Column A, complete the following table with the information given in the passage. Name, age, and family members of. So, look at Salma. Salma's age is in the passage, look. The eldest daughter is a daughter, her name is Salma. She's 14 years old. So, Salma is 14 years old. So number A answer will be, we will write in this way, answer to the question number 3A. Number A, we will write 14 years. FORTWNYEARS. 14 years. Let's see number B. Belal. Belal age is, then comes Belal. He is 12 years old. So Belal is 12 years old. Our answer number B will be 12 years. 12 years. Number C, Belal. C, family members of. So Belal is the family members of Abdul Rahim and Shahida Begum. Okay. So as in Bangladesh we are male dominated society, we will write the father's name here. So in question number C, we will write Abdul Rahim. The family members of Abdul Rahim. His father is Abdul Rahim. So Abdul Rahim. Next one is number D, Kamal. So his younger sister's name is Rashida and she is 10 years old. His younger brother name is Kamal and he is 7 years old. So number D is, answer will be 7 years old. So, and number E will be family members of. So family members of Abdul Rahim and Shahida Begum, we will write again Abdul Rahim. Because Abdul Rahim has 4 children, Abdul Rahim and Shahida Begum. So our answer will be Abdul Rahim. So this is the question. Here we have written Salma's age is 14 years old and Bilal is 12 years old. Family members of Abdul Rahim, number C. Number D, Kamal is 7 years old and he is also the family member of Abdul Rahim. Next, go to homework 5. Submit on Sunday. Answer passages 2 and 3. A very important note, question number 3A, only answer. You will get only answer in your SW copy. The very important thing, answer passages 2 and 3 you will get in your advanced book. Advanced model question number 25. You will get this your advanced book. This ones in passage 2 model question number 25 advanced book. Okay, and let's come here. Answer in passage 3 model question number 20. This one also you will find in advanced book. Advanced book model question number 20, and this one is model question number 25. So those who have no book, I am reading very quickly. Number 3, read the text and answer the following questions. I am Samira. A very important event in my life happened last week. I went on my first train journey. I traveled with my parents and brother Boshir to Khulna. My uncle lives there. We left home early in the morning and went to Rangpur. We bought a ticket at the railway stations and got into the train. Suddenly, the train blew its whistle and I jumped. Then the train started. The train went away quickly towards Khulna, and I thought that the trees, houses, people and stations all went quickly back to Rangpur. I was very excited. I wanted to put my head out of the train window, but my parents didn't let me. It's dangerous, they said. Just look, I enjoyed my first train journey very much. So complete the following table with the information given in the passage. Name, event, place and time. Samira, event and place. Boshi, event. Samira's family. So you will find this passage in your advanced book. Last one, next passage. Answer passage 3, model question number 20 in your advanced book. You will find this answer passage advanced book. I am reading. Mr. Alam gets up every morning at 5:30. At 6 o'clock, he walks by the river for half an hour. Then he takes breakfast. At 7 o'clock, he goes to his shop. He checks his tins, packets and bottles on the shelves. Usually he takes 30 minutes to check everything properly. Then he opens the shop. His day has started. Mr. Alam works in the shop nearly all day, but he drinks tea at 10 o'clock and eats lunch at 1:30. After lunch, he rests for an hour. At 4 o'clock, he drinks some more tea, and at 6:30, he goes to the market. At 9 o'clock, he closes the shop and has his supper. So complete the following table with the information given in the passage. Activity, starting time, time spent. Walking by the river, number A, time spent. Going to shop, C, time spent. Resting, D and E. Okay, so we will see the homework for the last time. Homework 5, submit on Sunday. Answering passages 2 and 3. Answering passage 2, model question number 25. Question number 3A. Answering passage 3, model question number 20 in your advanced book 3A. You will write only answer in your SW copies. So my dear students, I hope you have understood today's topic. Do your SN SW at home and submit on Sunday within 8 am to 4 pm in the school library. You will also collect those copies on Sunday within 8 am to 4 pm from the school library. You know your SW is very important because we are giving SBA, CT and diary mark on the basis of the submission of your SW copy. And we are giving 2.5 mark each in your SWs. So my dear students, that's all for today. Keep practicing at home, avoid bad parents, stay safe, stay well. See you again. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.